There's the winter storm. First part of it. It's fucking cold. A little bit of snow in there. I doubt it's gonna stick. A few chickens are out. Everyone else is running back. I don't know if that door's still open down there. Frozen rain and a little bit of flurry.
Mommy!
Yeah, she's a-coming.
Mom.
It's coming going good. We're not used to this in South Carolina. It's been the first time in, 3 years it's happened. I know this ain't much to some people, but this is a lot. I don't know if we're gonna survive. It's barely a fingernail. I might die. Gonna go put the chickens up. More like frozen rain. It's really not snow. It's 25 degrees approximately, but I wouldn't call this snow. Hey ladies, see you guys later. It might be a bitch skinning you guys out. Door might freeze shut. But all the areas where there's no grass is the areas it's sticking to. Whew. So, nice little snow rain thing going on. They didn't eat all the corn. I don't know why they didn't eat all the corn that I tossed there. They should have. Huh. Well, they can fuck with it tomorrow. What is this stuff? What is all this? I don't know what this is. Is this cocaine from Joe Biden's house? I don't know what it is. Never seen this before. It's all over. I might die. Look at my truck. Take a picture at the same time. Yeah, I can. Boom. Oh, it's coming down. I don't know how much we got. Really, it was mainly sleet, frozen rain. I'm going to do the dogs. At least let them out for a minute. I bet only one dog will probably get out. See how much is it? Yeah, it's might be a quarter at most in some spots. But there's about another 6 hours of this, so they say 1 inch, then 2 hours later they say 3 inches, and now it's 4 to 5 inches. So I don't know how much we're actually gonna get. And it's about 20 degrees out, somewhere around there. Nice 7-8 mile an hour wind. So, whew, fucking chilly. I burned all this off the other day, this whole area, and now it's all snowed up. I don't know if I can survive. Never done this before. It's coming down, and it's sticking. 1/4 inch right now. It's 8:15 at night. So, about right there. I'll say 1/4. Oh, motherfucker. Cold. This is steady coming down. Shut the fuck up. I would say that's a pretty good bit of snow. And you can hear the chicken crowing in the background. Well, good morning. Got some snow. The vehicles. No other vehicles. Holy shit, dude. I don't like this. It's way too fucking much. That's a good 4 inches, I would say. That's 3. It's 3 inches out. I measured it. They are happy. They made me get out of bed. It's like, no, it's my day off. I'm not gonna do anything. I moved that last night right when it started snowing. Backed away from the power lines. Whew. A dog ran around here. Yeah, my neighbor's little pug. Ran right to the box. Whew. Alright, this is the south. The lane. Some people drove on the road. That's a lot of freaking ice. We can't handle this shit down here. Blanketed it. It's supposed to snow until 11, it snowed until 3 a.m. So we got a lot more than we're supposed to. Woo! It's fucking cold. Our little hands can't take this shit. This one loves it. The other one's like, no.